Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Because Luka started so hot, they started changing their coverages on him and making him try to sort of give the ball up.
Oh my God.
I believe
Moron.
For Dallas's offense.
What are you doing,
Once he
asshole?
started sending two to the ball, he was getting it out quick, letting gap.
Awesome. I saw a woman provide Maya of exquisite beauty, a sample from the young
Are you kidding me?
Raving about, and when we got there, he didn't make a reservation. I guess he kind of just thought, oh, like, he'll get us in because, you know, he knows the place. So, but there was like an hour and a half wait. Yeah, and he tried to put on, like a $5 bill, which I don't know.
Wrong way. Whoa. line, you got an issue with your run game, you got an issue with your defensive front seven. Like there are a lot of problems that they gotta fix, and not enough cash and draft picks to go around. And oh, by the way, one of the other things that you have to
Video locked.
Shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah. I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm
Oh my god. Fucking idiot, bro.
What do you mean what? What the f is this person doing?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.